too much pink. If you have dry skin, then how am I supposed to pick it up? Yeah.
2,000 years later.
Oh my god, it's not getting fit. Okay. Okay, हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा ये. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madhusmita and you are welcome to Dear Wallet. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you are hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell notification on, because I post once every week, be it my short form videos or long form videos. You guys must be wondering what's with this pink. I know it's just too much of pink. Alright, I know that it's the biggest sale of the year at Nykaa, you guys, so I thought I would be like little bit extra with the pink. Before I get into the video, let me tell you guys that this video is not sponsored by Nykaa at all. You guys, if you guys have been following me for the past 2-3 years now, you guys know that I anyway recommend you products in the for the hot pink sale in my stories on my Instagram. But today in this video, Nykaa for the very first time they sent me a huge PR box for their hot pink sale. So that's the only reason why I'm doing this unboxing video for you all. Like, I'm showing you what product they gave me, and there are few products which I personally used. So yeah, there would be few recommendations from my side as well. Since I'm shooting this video long before the hot pink sale, today is 20th of June and the sale is happening from 26th. So I'm not sure what are like offer kya hoga. I'll just mention offers in the screen whenever I'm showing you any product so that it will be easy for you. So guys, 26 जून से सेल स्टार्ट होने वाले हैं और आपको मेरे स्टोरी में सारे रिकमेंडेशन मिल जाएगी. And yeah, please stay tuned on my story, you guys, because I'll be super active on my stories. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So first I have is a placard with hot pink sale written on it, which looks super cute. Okay, so the first thing that I have is this Caffeine ka coffee scrub, which I don't like at all to use it on my face. Like, I'm not someone who use a physical scrub on my face. I use a chemical exfoliator, but yeah, you can use this on your body, on your neck. I used to use this. So yeah, that's the first thing. I think this is going to be in my blog sale for sure. Next is something which I have actually recommended before, like a 1.5 years back, and I still recommend you guys this one. This is a body wash by Pierce. This is in the range aloe vera. I don't know how this smells like. I really like the pomegranate one. I have and jasmine one as well. I don't remember the names, but I absolutely love that. Oh my god, I totally forgot, like Pets is like the OG like bath and body products that I used to use like in my childhood as well. Like उनका जो soap आता है वो भी मैं use करती थी. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys to get this. It's very affordable as well. इसका price है ₹200 only, but आपको ये 149 या 129 रुपीज़ में मिल जाएगा. इवन मैंने 2 साल पहले पिंक फ्राइडे सेल से ही खरीदा था एंड मुझे पड़ा था अराउंड 129. आई डोंट नो इसका प्राइस अब क्या होगा. आई जस्ट मेंशन इन द स्क्रीन. नेक्स्ट बॉडी वॉश इज ऑल्सो समथिंग दैट आई हैव रिकमेंडेड यू बिफोर, but this is a new range. Like, I haven't tried this particular range. So this is the Love Beauty and Planet ka body wash. You can see such a huge bottle. इसमें 200 ml का 400 ml का है ये guys, and this will last you for about 3 months अगर even if you are going to use it every day. This smells so good, you guys. I cannot even. Okay, this is their Muru butter and rose aroma वाला body wash. I have their coconut वाला जो कि मैं यूज़ भी करती थी और मैं आपको recommend भी की थी last time. This cost you 450 rupees, but आपको Nykaa sale में 300 में मिल जाएगा. So I would definitely recommend you guys to get this. Perfect for monsoon and winters. It's not a समर वाला बॉडी वॉश. समर वाला बॉडी वॉश के लिए यू कैन ट्राई द कोकोनट वन, बट फॉर विंटर एंड मॉनसून आई विल डेफिनेटली रिकमेंड यू दिस वन. I have one more shower gel which I have again recommended it before as well. So this is the Nykaa shower gel, Wonderland shower gel. This is the Love Struck range. I don't like the like fragrance of this one. However, I like the yellow one, the pink one, and I think the green one. These three are my absolute favorite from this particular shower gel range. I have is from Nykaa Naturals. This is their onion and fenugreek shampoo, which I got in the last sale as well. मुझे PR में मिला था and I remember I gave it to one of my relatives. Onion and Fenugreek shampoos are meant for your hair fall. However, I don't have hair fall ka issues, so I'm not gonna use this. Since I have smoothened my hair recently, so I'm using different kind of shampoo, so I'm not going to use the shampoo. Next thing that I got is actually a cleanser. This is by the brand Cetaphil. This is their oily skin cleanser. I do have oily skin and it is for combination to oily to sensitive skin. Thank God they have sent me a cleanser that is meant for my skin. I have heard a lot about Cetaphil, like from like foreign YouTubers and from Indian YouTubers, so I'm quite excited to try this. I'm not going to give this to anyone. I think I'm going to keep it for myself. Stay tuned in my Instagram stories, you guys. अगर ये मुझे अच्छा लगा, then I'll definitely recommend you guys in my stories. Next skincare product that I have is something that I have already recommended you before, and I have used this personally, and I think that I absolutely love this. So this is the Nykaa's vitamin C serum. This is the 10% vitamin C serum. If you want a glowy and brighter looking skin, then definitely go for this Nykaa's vitamin C serum. Skincare product that I have, and this is from Mamaearth. This is their cold cream. Okay, this is sealed. I'm not gonna open it because if I'm going to give this to any of my relative or in vlog sale, I don't want to open it. But yeah, this is a cold cream. I think this is meant for your body. I think it is meant for winters. Next I have is something again that I have been using it for the past 4-5 months now, and I absolutely love this. So this is the L'Oreal Extraordinary सीरम ऑयल. दिस इज सो हाइप्ड यू गाइज. लाइक बीच में सारे यूट्यूबर, जितने सारे लाइक ब्यूटी ब्लॉगर्स है, सब इसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे एंड मुझे भी ये PR में ही मिला था, तो मैंने भी यूज़ किया एंड देन आई गॉट टू नो लाइक व्हाट्स द हाइप इज ऑल अबाउट. प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज अगेन ₹600, बट पिंक सेल में अगर आपको ये 500 या 400 में मिल जाएगा, देन डेफिनेटली गेट इट. यू हैव फ्रीजी हेयर, अनमैनेजेबल हेयर और कर्ली हेयर, देन दिस सीरम ऑयल इज फॉर यू गाइज. Even after smoothing also I'm using this serums, and trust me, it gives that shine to your hair. जैसे लगता है कि ना अपना डेली सलोन जाके आए हो, तो yeah, it gives that kind of shine to your hair, so I'll definitely recommend it. It's worth the hype. Now let's move on to the makeup. I have few makeup with me. या बहुत कम ही है. First I have this Faces Canada का काजल, which again I have personally used this. इसके मैंने 2 काजल ऑलरेडी ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ, सो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी माई बैकअप. आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस वन बिकॉज दिस इज़ हाईली पिगमेंटेड. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू माई ओल्ड काजल, like how the pigmentation is. I have kept all my kajals in this box. If you have seen my makeup collection वाला video, then you will know. So this is how the kajal looks like. वेरी पिगमेंटेड, एक्सट्रीमली पिगमेंटेड. ये मेरा काजल थोड़ा ड्राई हो गया है क्योंकि मैंने इसको काफ़ी दिन से यूज़ नहीं किया है. आई हैव अनदर आई लाइनर विथ मी, एंड दिस इज़ बाय द ब्रांड स्विस ब्यूटी, एंड दिस इज़ देयर बोल्ड फेल्ट टिप आई लाइनर. लाइक इफ़ यू आर अ बिगिनर, देन यू नीड दिस काइंड ऑफ फेल्ट टिप लाइनर जो कि पेन की तरह होता है, एंड एप्लीकेशन इज़ वेरी इजी विद दिस काइंड ऑफ फेल्ट टिप लाइनर. वो you see, this is the pigmentation. This is how the product looks like. It's super duper easy. Like line draw करने में काफ़ी easy रहेगा if you are a beginner. I absolutely love these kind of felt tip liner, you guys. Like these are my go-to. I have lipsticks. So first I have this K Beauty का lipstick. This is Matte Drama Matte lipstick, and I have in the shade Snapshot, which is kind of a nude shade, beautiful shade obviously, but it does wash me out, you guys. So if you are fairer than me, then obviously it's gonna suit you. The shade looks like, it's a pretty pinky nude shade. It has a पिंक एंड ब्राउनिश हिंट टू इट. लाइक ब्राउन थोड़ा सा है बट काफ़ी पिंक है. ये काफ़ी सुंदर सा मॉवी शेड है. सो इफ़ यू आर लाइक लाइटर दैन मी, देन दिस वुड बी अ परफेक्ट न्यू शेड फॉर यू. बट या, इट लुक्स गुड ऑन मी इफ़ आई यूज़ लाइक लाइनर, लिप लाइनर. Then I have this liquid lipsticks by Nykaa. Already done a video swatching 3 shades of absolutely love from this particular range. I'm not opening this one. I'm not showing you the swatch of this one because I'm obviously putting this in my blog sale. If you want my review, you can go to my Instagram or my reel to see the shades looks on me. I have this liquid lipsticks by Nykaa. I'll just insert a picture of these 4 shades, the 4 mini shades. I have it with me. I personally I am a liquid lipstick person, you guys, so I don't mind if the liquid lipsticks are little drying on my lips. I can manage with it. But if you're someone who's not a liquid lipstick person and you think that it will make your lips super dry, then I won't recommend you guys to go for this Smudge Me Not liquid lipsticks, because they are very drying. If you are someone who's not used to liquid lipsticks, you have to apply a lot of, like literally lot of lip balm and then apply this liquid lipsticks. Yeah, so yeah, those were the products that were sent to me. That was the unboxing video of this huge box, you guys. So yeah, बहुत कम products थे, I know. For more product recommendation you can head over to my Instagram, क्योंकि वहाँ पे मैं Q&A करने वाली हूँ, और आपको जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स रिकमेंडेशन चाहिए आप मुझे वहाँ पे Q&A में क्वेश्चन में डाल सकते हो, और मैं स्टोरी में लिंक अपना रिव्यू के साथ डाल दूँगी अपने स्टोरी में. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'm so grateful for Nykaa for the very first time that they sent me this huge PR box. So yeah, it's impossible without you guys. So if you guys want to support me, do purchase these products from my link. These links are affiliates, so whenever you check out, just click one of the link and check out on your phone or your laptop, जहाँ पे भी आप shop कर रहे हो. I'll get a small amount of commission and it would mean a lot to me if you do that. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.